If you believe inside you, you are human being, you will attract same frequency persons around you, situations around you, problems around you, solutions around you. Your level of playing will be only that. If you believe you are a sportsman, you will attract sports community around you. If you believe you are a rich man, you will attract rich people around you. If you believe you are a doctor, you will attract doctors around you. If you believe you are a seeker, you will attract seekers around you. Listen carefully. What you believe as you matters. Listen. Whatever you believe as you, cognize as you attract that kind of community, people, problems, solutions, life, fear, greed around you. Now, the good news I have for you is your inner image can be changed. The great news I have, you always would have had only bad news after the good news. Now I am telling you, it is not right. The pattern can be broken. It can be great news after good news. The great news I have for you, I will do it for you. Understand, all I am doing in this program, giving you different taste about life, asking you to do yoga, asking you to do puja. It's all nothing but giving you different taste of life, so your cognition, inner image changes. Understand? Change of your inner image will change your whole life. Obsessive, compulsive behavior patterns can become powers. The whole life can change if the inner image changes. The good news is inner image can be changed. The great news is I will do it for you. The whole lifestyle I am giving you, sharing with you, requesting you to follow for next 21 days, is just to give you the alternative taste of life. Listen, I can give a better word. Alternative taste of ultimate. You all know something as ultimate and you tasted and it does not taste ultimate and not long lasting. So giving you the alternative taste of ultimate, whether it is Panchakriya or wearing this sacred Rudraksha or having Bhasma or eating with hands, please understand, the food you are eating is cooked as per the scriptures, Hindu cookbook, which is created 60,000 years before directly by Sadashiva. Understand? Whether the yoga you do or the food you eat, everything is directly from Sadashiva. It's one of the oldest, most authentic, time-tested, foolproof. Not just time-tested, tested the time itself. Lifestyle. Understand? This 21 days, the lifestyle I am proposing to you, not just time tested, tested the time itself. The food you eat, best way to eat is have everything, don't miss even one pickle. Understand? Everything you are served is to make your body clean and detoxify. And I guarantee, eat as much as you can, you will lose weight. It's guarantee. It's a one-liner for my kitchen. Eat as much as you want and lose weight. Because the food is designed to awaken the life force in you, which more oxygen, more fat is burnt. That's all is the law of life. Protein builds muscle is myth. Breathing builds muscle. Understand, same food dumped in you and protein added becomes only fat. If the same food dumped in you and breathing added becomes muscles. Protein builds muscles is myth. Breathing builds muscles is truth. Food is supposed to be making you breathe. This food does it. And breathing is not just what is going on with your nostrils. Allopathy gives you a very wrong understanding. Breathing is something which goes on with your nostrils alone. No, that is only one dimension of breathing. Prana. In yogic physiology, there are 10 breathings, 10 air circulation happening. Prana, apana, udana, samana. Apana. Prana, apana, udana, samana. Vyana, and there are other 5 minor pranas. So 10 air circulation actions are purified and awakened by this food. So don't miss even a pickle. And any item you ask, we can give you the original verse from which it is made. Neither quality nor quantity is compromised. Please understand, you are eating as Sadashiva wants you. The number of beads you have in your neck chain is prescribed in Kiranagama and Rudraksha Upanishad. And what you are applying on your forehead is done specifically as per Sadashiva's instruction. It's a spiritual alchemy product. The Bhasma sucks the unnecessary toxins accumulated in the third eye region, and processed turmeric removes all the erosion, corrosion, calcification on your third eye. It is decalcifying process. So the lifestyle I am giving you, this 21 days, is alternative lifestyle of the ultimate to give you the new taste about your new inner image, which makes you manifest powers and attract that kind of a situation, society, community, world around you. Understand? You can either create a slum around you or Kailasa around you. You can create anything you want. You can create either a slum around you or Kailasa around you. When the inner image is changed, you create what you want. Few minutes, I want you to look in actually what inner image you have now. Listen, this cognitive shift is too important. Listen carefully. See, how many of you saw yesterday Third Eye Awakening, all this power manifestation? How many of you already started manifesting after the first initiation? Wow, great. Raise the hand. Let me see. Wow, give a good hand for this team. So only one initiation started manifesting. Great. Listen. You reading through third eye, rolling the coconut through third eye, breaking the coconut, all these are called power manifestation. You realizing if I can operate this third eye, all third eyes are available to me because it operates from oneness is cognitive shift. One cognitive shift is equivalent to 1000 power manifestation. Understand? If you open your third eye using the power of oneness, break a coconut, seal a coconut, read through the third eye, all this is called power manifestation. But if you wake up to the reality, using the power of oneness, if I can open my third eye, I can open any third eye because all third eyes are available to me. That is cognitive shift. This inner awakening, I am not aiming just power manifestation, I am aiming cognitive shift. Cognitive manifestations. Cognition manifestation. It is time to push ourselves to the next level. Brand is no more power manifestations. It is outdated. It is cognitive shift manifestations. Listen, you have 1000 kg gold, you sell 1 kg gold and make few lakh rupees. So now, making few kg selling few kg golds, few kgs of gold, selling few kgs of gold and making few lakh rupee is power manifestation. Knowing this gold is the source of my money, so I can make even dollar or euro or any currency out of this gold is cognitive shift. Selling few kg gold and making Indian currency rupee is power manifestation. Knowing this out of this source, not only I can make Indian currency, I can make euro, dollar, every possible anywhere in the world is cognitive shift. Now it is time we move from power manifestation to cognitive manifestation. Blessed are this IA batch where I am moving the whole team to the next level. Power manifestation is 2 initial level. A simple exercise. I want you to look in your inner image, what are the obsessive, compulsive behavior, thought currents, memories and patterns. Means thought currents and memories and patterns in you which puts you in obsessive compulsive behavior. It can be related to reading morning newspaper, or there are many people who can't go to restroom without a cup of coffee, or your sexual life patterns, or your diet, so-called diet patterns. How many of you, when you see the TV ad, call now, gym equipments, and immediately call and swipe your credit card and that gets delivered and it stays under the small room which is always there below the staircase and stays there forever unopened. Raise your hand. Now for others also it stays. So this is also one of the obsessive compulsive behavior. You buy it because when you buy, you imagine the same body is going to happen. And you imagine yourself on that machine having the same body. And it stays in your garage. In US means garage. In India means always there will be one small room under the staircase. There are some things compulsory in Indian houses, middle class houses. A small room under the staircase, puja room never visited. All these are compulsory. Now, few minutes. What all the patterns, thought currents in you that triggers obsessive compulsive behaviors in you? Pen down. Then I'll help you how to complete and manifest powers and go beyond the manifestation of powers. Cognitive shift.